What's up guys, Boy here. Today we're doing another video. Today we're taking a look at the United States Arctic Canteen. Let's begin. Yes, that's actually the name of the canteen. It's not really cold weather, which I really thought it was. The actual real version of the cold weather was more different, like a flask, but the cap is actually more similar to like the 1 quart canteen. So now let's go talk about the early model and then get to the modern one or newer ones. Okay, this one says this one's actually produced by Bendix Pioneer Central, and on the other side it says US, data manufactured 1963. Have like a paracord, a little cap with a rubberized tip inside of it, and the reason why it looks much different from the later model is this thing right here, which, yes, there's an actual little disc inside, which when you have to bend it, you have to move it like the, you see that? Yeah, there's a little hole inside there. That's actually where you keep the liquid inside of it. And I think it was been removed. The later model's been removed from that because it's kind of hard to get to actually move it like that. And now let's get to the later model. Okay, this one's the more common one. Okay, the pouch itself is made of cotton. Made of cotton, held up with the Alice gear with the clips right here to secure in the canteen with the buttons right here, which that's what it is. You got a little cup for it. US Wyatt, which it looks like this. And the story is just take the tab off and there you go. And then you don't got the Bendix Central on there, but on the other hand, you also have this one, which US 7SO111 1986. Again, it's kind of the same thing, but the difference are inside of the cap, or inside, does not have that little ring inside of it. So that was completely removed from it. Okay, let's talk about the size itself. Cup first will be around about 3 inches. The wide of it, around about 6.5 inches. And the length is around about 3/4. For the canteen would be around about 6.5 inches. With cap would be around about 9/4. And how long it will be around about 2/4. And then overall size with the cup would be again around about almost to 10 inches. So let's go see how much water this will take. Now, the extreme cold weather, the U.S. extreme cold weather, can take around about 2 of these, and almost half of it, almost to a quarter of it. Now let's talk about the newer model and see what it can hold. So the canteen, the newer version, actually could take around about 1 and almost 2 of the bottles of water, but the entire cup can take around about the whole entire bottle of water. Now let's get to our conclusions. Yeah, these are kind of one of the rather easy to find pieces, which I do recommend buying these. So I give the Arctic Canteen, the United States Arctic Canteen, a sounding of, I think, an 8 out of 10. These are not bad for what they are. So that wraps up of the United States Arctic Canteen. I'm Rotuboy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.